market had a minor improvement this week regarding interest rates, but don't hold your breath. It's Friday, April 8th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You can see from this graph, rates are on the rise, while most loan products rates are just under the 5% mark this week. This is a moment in time, so savvy buyers are realizing this and acting quickly. According to the chief economist at Freddie Mac, rising inflation, escalating geopolitical uncertainty, and the Federal Reserve's actions are driving rates higher in weakening consumers' purchasing power. Visit my blog at www.kbartonrealtor.com to read my April 5th post on this subject of mortgage rates and how this is going to impact the entire market, rentals, buyers, and sellers. Now, let's look at the inventory movement over this past week. 1,340 properties are coming soon, and this is a noticeable drop in expected inventory for this time of year. 1,745 homes were listed for sale, and this reflects a healthy rise from the prior week. 758 went under contract in 8 median days, which is 1 day longer than previously. 1,243 are temporarily off the market, which is on par with prior weeks. 1,581 went to pending in 6 median days, again on par with last week. 1,855 properties settled. The same thing happened last week, 6 days, 101.7% list to sale ratio. So what does this snapshot mean to you? The number of homes coming on the market is still down, and those are selling more quickly. At 6 days, this indicates the market is still strong in most areas, and many buyers are paying cash. In fact, the highest priced home to sell this past week was in St. Michael's for $6,300,000 for all cash. So the Maryland rental inventory is down to 1,134, and affordable rentals are the talk of the industry. There are costs to hold properties, maintenance and update costs, the increased property taxes and other expenses for landlords are being passed on to the rental market, contributing to the higher rental rates. Regardless of where you are right now, renting, thinking about buying, or you want to sell, know that we are a resource to you, and we're always happy to answer your questions. Reach out to me. I'm happy to help, and I love talking about this stuff. So that's the recap for the Maryland Market Minute, April 8th, 2022. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next week, be well.